You have learned how to model change with different equations. Let's consider the example saving certificates. Okay, for this example, we get the future value an plus 1 equals to 1.01 an with the initial value a0 equals to 1000. Now, how are we going to get the future values using Excel? Okay, let's consider n month and an be the amount of money in certificate after month end. So we start with initial value and not followed by 1, 2. Okay, so let's try to find the value up to month 24, and then so in here initial value is 1000, and then for n equals to 1 is the future value equals to 1.01 multiply with a, and here will be a not multiply with here. Okay, the cell B2, and then you press enter. So the account, okay, after first month you get 1010, so same as stated in the example. So now for the rest of the month, we just double click, so we get here. So we need to round up, okay, to 2 decimal places. Okay, good. Okay, I'll get this one. So after 24 months, okay, the money in the account we get 1,269 ringgit.73 cent. Okay, now let's consider if we withdraw the money 50 ringgit each month, and then the future value bn plus 1 equals to 1.01 bn minus 50, and the initial value b0 equals to 1000. Okay, we just use the same condition all this one, but we withdraw 50 ringgit each month. So the bn equals to initial value 1000, and then for the second month equals to okay, look at here, so 1.01 multiply with the initial value here, and then with minus 50, so we get 960 ringgit. Okay, and then for the rest of the month, double click here, so you run up to 2 decimal place, and then we look at, okay, after month 23, we will have the overdraft. Okay, it's just negative 28.65 cent. Okay, that's all for using, okay, for using Excel, okay, in order to find the future values.